Engofon kika obiara no sheda ye coach no masa kwhwe matches na wa anya ade so kana se menye because okrakuru make sure say if failure answer na yeko. So we arrived at the World Cup as failures. It is a reason sa England born man ko foji o moni sa na ko fo enam street so boy born 11 1 na ko foji o na because ya adwene mu no ade na say yetibi nya hwe enti na Ghana your first time you World Cup game you na Italy na about 2006 your first ever World Cup game you boy na Ghana for bofu and no na ma Samuel say kufo with all the experience we gather we as na so tranche match like yes bebo
yeah
the first time say say fans so Italy there World Cup here ko bo mo na e koje to ma say nya hwe we did not accept it. But when the FA president didn't go for make sure say any that so be any ho. And it's as one why ya so phobia. Omdo magiji bo mabegu mo ma say no ma shen go for ban say any e ko be say match we o mo nte prediction ye nyina ye bi ma ne bam.
Some kind so mo hwe so ni o mo so for no mo nya football na maye.
Ah me say bond o mo tibi kabi. Say teacher for nyamotre teacher for da bia nse so mo disi ense so mo disi teacher for kan bo asem fitter for kan bo asem messi for kan bi ayi mate for nti o ya so for bet makabi but nkase nyame say kabi sounds wa kabi.
That is my problem.
No enti asofo ni nyina e bet makabo ni bi o mu nyae mayen
say o mo na mo say nyankopon say ye say o mo nyankopon
na make so ya so for aso kabi
wagu wasore
obi wa ya accountant okabo asem obi e tailor ni okabi okana amamu obi anya no hwe ni feelings no waka nti yo mon come feelings o mon ka yam say me free say ma adwam say be say me kanya me adwere bi ko nyame nsuma abo no bo de nyankropon bia ni wa Ghana nkwa no odi achi a otan Comoros otan Croatia nyankopon bo no de nti otan Colombia nkofo say okura no wi sam ni cocaine nti no nyame mpa o masem ye wi o masem
nyankopon pe Ghana asem je England
eti no kwasem ne se bo no bi obi a okwa so okabi but me ka se nyame na se kwaku bu nsam ese na nanom se dana ayi Kever fo ni abrebo mo bo no se no predict 3-2 for Kever kwofo no wini ya ko ba je credit na fa ne ye bobo nyina okurade bi so okikire masi mo ye sei ni nyina akwa o
ne ma Ghana hia pa
ni nyina akwa bu
mu enye yizu
enti o ya so for ball kabi
bad na ekum ni pa nyankopon nyi ho asem je
ti se de teacher for ka bo asem fitter for kabi uzu kabi na mo maka nche se nyame se bi ko nyame nsuma wo ball nyame de ball no pa de ho nsuma wo ho se nyame pe asem che obi a de kwa kwaje da bi jai unim omo munim na so for munim de omo ko feda ya analysis to omo ya analysis ba be si so da bi mpanyimfo ni ma no mo ye ne nye but unim mu a kire wadwen se de me yere 100 bi kire na adwen no kire wadwen se de obi atibi kire na adwen fa ball no wa kire bi ye bia mo no abjapanyi coach ni wa moye ba kokura ni ntimi nka kwa Ghana first we set up no unim see about 3 shots on target 4 games here boy.
Wow.
4 games shot on target here 3 1 2 3. Oh, coach no wa moye o. Na 7 no me say nyoma na ehwegu na no. Nti o de se na nye but coach wa moye kwambi azobza bayi.
What do you do run of 32?
Inti.
Say team the name that so Afcon cry Ankobi. And what me ko World Cup from the group C.
World Cup on qualify there boy.
No.
Ni Afcon ni qualify for World Cup ti uba na so bi gudi kura say born here born. Ghana ntimi threat opposition. What number of touches in opposition box in the whole tournament there boy. 4 games. Number of touches in opposition box. Ghana omo a touch a board do power Ghana squad no. Hey Gideon Mensah. No aba
Gideon Mensah here
left back. No aba Jonas Ejajiti. No akọ Derek Lucasen.
Central defenders me.
No akọ Jerome Opoku. No aba Thomas Partey. Go for 5 na no mugina ye ho na ye born ye born ho. Ompa ni nya touches for World Cup ni ye ko ye. Coach, he set up Ghana to fail. but no question say okay enye ye because yɛmfa team ma less than a month to the World Cup squad yi obia ni mche coach nyo na ye so na ye squad na nka Ghana down by a goal na kwasisi bo apira na se ye change a now so the Elisha babra wa wo de Augustin Boatete o a wo ya attacker o ye number 10 Bible zu ti wa bobi onimo mu etu ka coach na se mebre ba penyenye yi. The blame is on Kurt Edwin Simon Kraku and the FA. The fact that they decided say omuntio bia yentio bia born ye dia ye ye etino ye the criteria back criteria na the buy no na person who say Kurt ye nim guase nipa ebra all set criteria na so ma criteria na de otuado betom but o set criteria otuado o ni wuram kura be obepie still ye wie no de adwuma na koma otuado. A proven winner at the highest level of football. Otado. Ya ono a trainer scout. Apologies to Minya Shonguru Kwase scouter. When you teach, you are a teacher. So when you scout, you are a scouter. Ya go for scouter. 2 wasted years. What can I say before the World Cup? Me catch say Nigeria for movie no. The Ankara de Bremen. No, wasted years. We call Ramsey Noah. Ene no natural trawa afedie na Ramsey Noah aba Lagos. Oba Lagos yeah. Now we catch again don't worry you no much wasted years. Wasted years and Otado. One man be the blame technically coach wanya there. But abusuaba be a 73 pound say. The FA make sure say we will not go to the World Cup to go and perform because one of the adwuma coach onima dwuma onya there. He is not an average coach. That's why we catch him. Otado onya average impo. And he did one man waste years. And he far away close to the World Cup. And Tama the Oya no as he and he say ye call round of 32. On my ayabo quarter finals da. Now round of 32. Ye 2 steps away from the quarter. But don't say as he as he fans because